my hood. Welcome to it. It's the hood, man.
I fucked up the rap game and you ain't even know it. I just fucked what's her name and you ain't even know it. She got a tattoo and you ain't even know it. We bout to form a little group and you ain't even know it. Let's get it. Stuck in a rock in a hard place. Eminem pocket where God stay. Timberlands pop that jawbone. Now bitch nigga tell me how that tar tastes. And even Tarzan can get swung on. I never hung out with the loud mouth. You got a foul mouth and that dead body gon' smell foul when it fouls out. She found my nails in the Bahamas. We found ourselves in the Bahamas. She found God, meditation, and peace. I found myself without a condom. You know everybody having them babies. It's a beautiful thing, it ain't crazy. If a rapper monogamous, you know what the problem is. Too many bitches got rabies. And I hate a whole hopping woman. Stink pussy popping woman. You fucking fool, don't know about you, but my dick needs 17 years on it. Anything after that is just a bonus. And I've been in the lab with my opponents. And since sway that list, he got a flat screen the next morning. Tell him I need my credit when it's due. Tell him I need my lettuce when it's new. Tell him I got a fetish for fine fabric. Franklin's and saying fuck you. Tell him it's TDE till I'm DDT'd in that grave and top dog is proof. Tell my nigga who get free ain't shit coming for free. I'm about to rape you niggas till you recoup. Yes, sir.
Groovy nigga, that's all day. Backwood hold 3 grams. Got a 6-shooter, that revolver spinning shell stuck inside but won't jam. This hoodie here about 2 stacks. Hell yeah, that bitch gon' go ham. Molly in her drink, but she asked me to, and oh yeah, I got this on cam. Gangsta nigga, no trap beats, but I still sound like that new shit. Originality in my blueprint, still fit side Figaro pimp. Her big ass with my palm hit. Pull my dick out, she gon' bomb it. Swag surfing all through the world, slide through the sea on a comet. OXY for these morons, that be that new shit I'm push on. Raise off of them pockets, bring more of them coffins. These niggas ain't popping, tell them old niggas to move on. All damn, I done said it, yeah, all damn can be headed.
She ain't single, but she solo. You ain't even know it. Unsigned, sold out shows. You ain't even know it. My lips black, but they ain't chapped. She ain't even know that. Let's have sex, she said yes. You know she ain't know that. See the life on my chest, my head next to her breast. My mind all in the clouds, just bought an ounce of the best. No talking when I'm off that loud. I came quick so she pissed. You know I'm good for another round, but it's hard when everybody on your dick. No real niggas that's Crips. I know real niggas
smoke the corner, you just smoke the crack.
That's bloods, no real niggas that's thuggin'. Like you ain't know what's up. Got codeine in my cup, got a couple checks that need cashing. And you can take that to the bank. What's life without a balance? You ain't even know it. Nigga,
his manatee is tatted up, bro.
Just the coldest nigga out here flowing. Sick of all that bullshit y'all been promoting, but so Carson in the motherfucking house. Del Lamar, watch your motherfucking mouth. I took the game by storm, just the X-Men out.